I imagine the future in the world to stop the pollution.
I think that someone will make a change and the planet will be a bit better, hopefully.
The change towards an energy transition is urgent. A clean future is possible, and we can start building it now and here in the Business Booster, where the future and the present, sustainability and business come together.
Today it's possible to bridge economy and ecology. Finally, it's possible.
New technologies, new politics and new economic models are needed, but most of all, it needs a change in paradigms and values. It needs the people. This is why our theme this year is humanizing the energy transition. Welcome to the Business Booster 2019. In these 2 days in Paris, meet the people who are leading the energy transition. Industry, investors, startups, and policymakers.
It brings those startups together with the people providing the venture capital and other financing for this innovation.
The contact with the other startups is so helpful, moving forward your business, getting new ideas.
TVB is the best place to scout new ventures in Europe.
Explore, enjoy, and get inspired by all the activities we've planned for you. Find the best-in-class innovations, discover new ideas and business opportunities, and get your network infinitely expanded in these 48 hours of pure energy. Let's build the future together.
I want,
Deserve,
need,
agree,
better future.
Make it possible!